Steps to become a master wig maker. Research and education. Start by researching wig making techniques and materials. Look for courses, workshops, or online tutorials that offer in-depth training on wig making. Amade Beauty offers an assortment of wig making classes at wigmakingclassesonline.com. Training. Enroll in a reputable wig making program or apprenticeship. This will provide hands-on training and guidance from experienced professionals in the field. Practice. Dedicate time to practice your skills regularly. Experiment with different techniques, styles, and materials to develop your expertise. Take the time to hone your skills and stand apart from the rest. Specialization. Consider specializing in a specific type of wig making, such as theatrical wigs, medical wigs, or fashion wigs. This can help you stand out in the industry and cater to specific client needs. Networking. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and connect with fellow wig makers. Building a network can lead to opportunities for collaboration, mentorship, and exposure to potential clients. Quality control. Focus on delivering high-quality wigs that meet client expectations. Pay attention to details like fit, comfort, durability, and realistic appearance. Continuous learning. Stay updated on the latest trends, techniques, and technologies in the wig making industry. Attend workshops, seminars, and conferences to enhance your skills and knowledge. Portfolio building. Document your work by creating a portfolio showcasing your best wig creations. This will help you demonstrate your skills to potential clients or employers. Social media is a great platform to use to showcase your work. Business considerations. If you plan to start your own wig making business, learn about entrepreneurship, marketing, and customer service. Develop a business plan, set competitive pricing, and establish a strong online presence. Remember, becoming a master wig maker takes time, dedication, and continuous learning. Stay passionate about your craft and strive for excellence in every wig you create. Happy wig making! From your friends at AmadeBeauty.com.